नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि जब बैंक के बारे में कोई समाचार होता है तो मीडिया उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा के और खासकर से पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक का इमेज खराब करती है। इसकी घटना अभी हाल ही में आया। एक ट्विटर ट्रेंड अलर्ट 22 अप्रैल 7 PM onwards. Leading media houses peddled fabricated story of old age pensioner caused criticism to the public sector bank, especially SBI. Bank Union tweeted the true story. Media houses must release apology. It's time to trend and let public know the truth. फ्रेंड्स, आपने भी सुना होगा कि एक वृद्धा पेंशन लेने के लिए, जैसा कि न्यूज में आया और ANI ने सूचित किया कि ए सीनियर सिटीजन सूर्या हरिजन walks many kilometers barefoot with the support of broken chair to reach a bank to collect her pension in Odisha, Jharigam. SBI manager Jharigam branch says her fingers are broken, so she is facing trouble withdrawing money. We will resolve the problem soon. इसके बाद एक CM न्यूज को PTI ने प्रेस ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया ने लिखा वीडियो Surya Harijan, a 70 years old woman from Odisha, Nabarangpur, had to walk several kilometers barefoot under the scorching sun using a broken chair as support to collect her pension money. और इसके बाद मामला वित्त मंत्री तक पहुंचा कि एक वृद्धा जो 70 years old है वो टूटे कुर्सी के सहारे से पेंशन लेने SBI ब्रांच जाती है। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने प्रेस रिलीज में कहा State Bank of India has always aligned its business goals with the national priorities, and focused attention is given to a range of financial inclusion activities. However, an unfortunate incident has recently come to light where one of our senior citizen customers faced difficulty in withdrawing her old age pension from the nearby CSP Bank Mitra, a Jhargaon block of the Nabarangpur district of Odisha, on account of her feeding fingerprints not being recognized by the biometric reader at the CSP. As per our let-down protocols, the nearest link branch, SBI Jharigam, immediately paid the pension amount by debiting the amount manually from the pensioner's account. She has also been reassured by the branch manager of delivery of pension at her doorstep. Going forward, as a goodwill gesture, SBI has donated a wheelchair to the pensioner to facilitate her movement. While necessary protocols are already in place to address such situation, we have taken further cognizance in the matter and have initiated reiteration of the guidelines to all BCCSP to contact their link branches in case of any issues faced by them in surviving for our customer. Bank has also been examining option of the installing iris scanners at our BCCSP centers channels to address the challenges faced by our senior pensioner customer. और इस बात को, पूरी की पूरी घटना को हमारे ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर्स कन्फेडरेशन ने बताया। The All India Bank Officers Confederation strongly protests against the news report on 20th April 23 by ANI, which maligned the official of SBI and put the public sector banks, including SBI, in the bad light. Your news report has falsely accused the bank of making a customer suffer and work to get her pension, which is completely baseless and unfounded. The report of the collector Nabarangpur also explains that the facts were not reported, but it was a concocted story. It was falsely reported that Srimati Surya Harijan had walked far away on 14th April 23 to receive the pension, whereas she was returning from her younger son's house in village Nagada under Jharigam GP, and she had not been there to withdraw for pension from the SBI. Therefore, your reporting is gross misrepresentation of the facts. It is important to ensure that the information being disseminated to the public is factual and unbiased, especially when it comes to the important matters of public trust on the largest bank of the country. It seems the impugned news report appears to have been published on account of negligence and the haste. The trolls and criticism by the users in social media due to the irresponsible act of the reporter against and the public sector bank in the general, which are stated as per the Article 12 of the Constitution of our country, has not only tarnished the image of bank but also created mistrust amongst its customer. PSB served the common man on this great country with pride and honor. PSB have always strived to provide excellent customer service to everyone, regardless of their social status. The nation is witness to the fact that the PSB officials have gone beyond their call of duty to serve the nation, be it COVID-19 pandemic, natural calamities, or the demonetization. In fact, PSB has been actively working to ensure the pensioner receive their pension smoothly and without any inconvenience. Though the vast network of the branches of PSB, delivery of financial services is being ensured to all citizens in the nook and the corners of the country. Therefore, the public sector banks are committed to providing the best of services to all the customers, especially the underprivileged section of the society. और अक्सर इस तरह की खबरें मीडिया प्रोपगेट करती है और बैंकर्स की, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स की इमेज को टार्निश करती है। इसे रोकना होगा और इस तरह के गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आने चाहिए कि बेसलेस और फॉल्स न्यूज जनता में मत फैलाएं, जिससे पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक पर डिस्ट्रस्ट हो। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।